There have been actually early attempts to create MMOGs on mobile front. I think there are a few games out there which are working towards this. And I think, yes, going forward as the networks open up their bandwidth, it is going to be possible for having a lot of MMOGs on the mobile front available for the end user. While we are right now not developing any such game per se, but yes, I mean, we would definitely be planning something on those lines in the future. I think it's just a matter of time. I think India is on the anvil of the next big jump. There are operators who are now looking at trying out something new. They're looking at opening up networks, opening up bandwidths. The broadband penetration is increasing, so even on the online front, things are moving ahead very fast. And that's where I think we are now poised in the next year or so to take the next big leap and really push gaming forward and push the barriers of gaming to introduce new features to the end user and create games which are at par with international games. We are in fact one of the pioneers of mobile advo gaming in India. We started off sometime in early 2004 where we teamed up with Coca-Cola India, and Coca-Cola India was doing a promotion around one of their brands, Thumbs Up, where they signed up Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar, and the whole campaign was about Akshay Kumar climbing Mount Everest. That was the time when we teamed up with Coca-Cola India and created a game based on the similar lines. And that game was very well received by the mobile gaming audience. And following that, last year we worked with Coca-Cola very closely to create a game based around the FIFA World Cup, because Coke was sponsoring one of the sponsors of FIFA World Cup, and we created a game called Coke Super Footer, which was a penalty shootout kind of a game. And this was a game which we did both for the online platform and the mobile platform. So again, that went off quite well. And we realized that advert gaming as a medium is quite popular because for an advertiser, he is getting a captive audience for at least 3 to 5 minutes per gameplay session. Now, if you compare it with a audience of a 30-second TV commercial, you can yourself see how much exposure the brand gets when a user is playing with the game and interacting with the brand within the game. And which we realized, and we even discussed it with few of our partners and clients who are in the consumer goods space, Coke being one of the primary partners we work with. And they also found this quite appealing because this is where you are not just limited by a viewer watching your television advertisement on TV on a particular channel at a particular point of time. Here you are sending your brand on the mobile user's handset, and he is interacting with your brand for 3 to 5 minutes every time he plays the game. And if the game is good, if at the end of the game you give good gratifications, he is going to play it again and again, which means your brand recall value shoots up exponentially. And this, I think, has worked like a win-win situation for everyone, be it the advertiser, be it the network operator, be it the developer, or be it the end user. It is something which is working for everyone, and I think going forward, yes, advert gaming is going to play a key role for a lot of marketeers when they plan their advertising budgets and promotions. Yes, we are looking at online advert gaming as well as mobile advert gaming. We are already working on a few projects on the same lines. I would not be able to share much detail on that, but we are already working on it, so it is on the anvil. Yeah, I think if a game lends itself to the mobile platform, yes, we will be keen. It so happens that when a console game is made, it is made from a perspective of a console user. And to bring it on the mobile front is a different challenge altogether, where you need to really tone it down for the mobile platform. Yes, as I mentioned, if the game is captivating enough and if we feel that it will make a good mobile property, we will definitely look at bringing some of the PC and console games onto mobile platforms. Well, we have signed up with partners like Virgin Comics, where we are developing games based on their properties. We have a lot of celebrity licenses. We are partners or distribution partners with quite a few international gaming companies. We are also creating content for a lot of gaming companies internationally. On the online front as well as the mobile front, we are even creating our own IP which is going out in the international space. Uh, we work very closely with Disney in India and create games based on Disney's properties and also repurpose their international content to be distributed in India. So yeah, we are working with a lot of partners, and there are a few partners we are close to signing up, and who are fairly big names again in the industry. In the next 2-3 years, I think Jump Games is going to be one of the leading publishers and developers of mobile games. We already are expanding very aggressively in the international markets. We are signing up our partnerships with various channels in the international and domestic market, and also creating quality content on 2D and 3D mobile. In the online gaming space, I see Jump Games as one of the premium developers of really good quality online and casual downloadable games, which are both single player and multiplayer. So yeah, I think the only way from here is just going up and up, and we are going to be in the top few companies who are really producing really good quality content.